Hey there, tech lovers. I hope everyone is doing good during this difficult time that the world is facing. So, today we bring you a tutorial in Blender 3D, which will teach you how to model not the simple actually, the deadly coronavirus that the world is dealing with. And we'll simply model it from this cube itself. So, what we'll do is we'll straight away go to the modifiers and add a subdivision surface modifier to this cube. We'll increase the view to 3 and apply it. We'll go into the edit mode. Now what you do is go into the front view, do the face select and select any 8 to 9 faces. They shouldn't be joined or adjacent to each other. Then go to the side view, again repeat the same process. And do this process on all sides of the sphere. On the top as well. And on the bottom as well. Now we're pretty much done with this step. Now what you do is press E and S and we extrude it a bit, then again E and S, extrude it a bit, then select the individual origins as pivot point and scale them. Now come out of the edit mode, we again go to the modifier, we add the subdivision modifier, we take it to 3, apply it, add a smooth shading to it. As you can see, pretty much we are ready with the virus. Just go to the cycles render and we can color it using the node editor. What I'll do is I'll add a layer weight and a color ramp, and I'll color this shade of green. You can play with it as you like. And we're ready with the model of the coronavirus. Thank you so much. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.